What is up people? Nakikita nyo na naman ang pagmumukha ko. So today gagawa sana ako ng video about dun sa boat trailer na nakuha ko. Astig yun kasi libre ko lang nakuha. Ayun, binilang ko siya ng wheel hub bearing assembly or ito. Ayan. Binalik ko na sa box kasi mali yung bearing size na pinadala sa akin nung nagbenta sa Amazon. Kaya naman, ayun, naisip ko, wala na naman ako may upload. Maganda sana ang idea yun. I-rebuild ko yung bearing. Pakita ko sa inyo yung trailer. Astig siya eh. Saktong-sakto siya dun sa solo skiff ko. So ito yung boat trailer na nakuha ko ng libre lang. Ayan. Ngayon mukha pa siyang hindi pwedeng gamitin. Pero meron na akong gulong na ilalagay dyan. Ang kailangan ko lang talaga yung wheel hub assembly na ilalagay ko dito. Yun nga, hindi siya kasya. Ngayon medyo mukhang bulok-bulok na siya. Pero galvanized steel naman niya. Gagawin ko, i-rebuild ko siya, pipinturahan. Lalagay ko yung gulong, yung wheel hub bearing, lagyan ko ng mga ilaw, and then papalitan ko itong yung mga kahoy na yan, and ready na siya para dun sa maliit ko na boat. So dahil hindi ko pwedeng simulan yung project na yan, mag-unbox na lang ako ng e-bike, and gagawin ko sana, mag-unbox and then magra-ride kami ni Iya and ni Cheryl at ni Marshall. But you know, maulan, of course, summertime dito sa Georgia, lagi talagang umuulan. Kaya naman, mag-unbox ako ng mga e-bike and then magsha-shoutout tayo. Kasi tagal ko nang hindi nagsha-shoutout. Let's go! Kala ko marami nagpapa-shoutout sa akin. Konti lang pala. Anyway, shoutout kay Oplok Dorado. Birthday daw niya nung isang araw. So, happy birthday sa'yo. Belated. Ayan, meron pa tayong mga shoutout mamaya. Kaya naman, i-unbox na natin tong e-bike na to. Kasi, kala ko talaga marami nagpapa-shoutout sa akin, babe. Di pala ako sikat. Kala ko sikat ako. Anyway, alright, unbox na natin to. So, this one is from Mach Wheel. Ayan, unbox natin siya. And kailangan natin si Marshall. Marshall! Marshall! Come here, boy! Si Marshall kasi yung... Hirap na may unbox nito. Si Marshall kasi yung nagliligpit ng mga kalat ko. Gustong-gusto niya yung nagpupulot ng mga... You know, yung mga parts ng karton. Tapos yung mga zip ties. Nagpupulot ng karton. Baka mamaya yung... Nangangalakal na pala. That's good. There's nothing wrong with that, you know? Actually, dito sa US, maraming mga nangangalakal. Kasi dito, you know, pag ayaw na nila ng mga gamit nila, iiwan lang nila sa labas and then, you know, lalagyan nila ng sign na free. And yung iba, ibebenta nila. Come on, baby. Look, I got plenty of cleanups for you to do. Yeah, come on, Marshall. Please welcome Marshall Chance. Woo! There we go. All right. Excited na excited. Wala pa nga. Hey. Alright. So we got one already. And we got accessories right here. Standby ka lang dyan, Marshall. Alright, so we got accessories here. Mamaya na yan. And then, here you go, son. Yan, gusto niya yan, yung kala niya laro eh. And then, no, there you go. Hihilahin ko lang ito pataas na ganyan. Dami ko na in-unbox na e-bike. Di pa rin ako marunong mag-unbox. Kasi nga pala, mali yung Oo nga pala. But anyway, nasimulan ko na eh. Ano gagawin ko? So habang ina-unbox natin to, shout out kay Vincy Comia. Ayan, di ba? Lagi nagko-comment niyan. Like, madalas. Unang-una yung nagko-comment. So, ayun, solid na solid yan si... Tama ba basa ko? Vincy or Vince Comia. Hindi, merong ano eh. S-I-E. So, Vincy Comia. Ayan, di ba? So, let's try this thing again. Here we go. Yun. Yeah, pull the box, baby. There you go. All right, thanks. Now, please welcome Iya. Subscribe to her channel. She got a art channel, di ba, Iya? Tell him. Si Iya mahiyain eh. How are you gonna gain more subscribers, Iya, if you're too shy? Look at Daddy, oh. Walang hiya. Kapal mukha. Oh, di ba? Ganun tama. Paano magkakaroon ng subscriber kung nahihiya ka? Here we go. But anyway, magaling na siya mag-drawing, si Iya. So, kind of proud of her, like doing short videos about her drawing. Diba? Okay. Well, pwede to Pwede, kaya lang hindi siya fat tire. Madalas kasi, puro fat tire e-bike yung nare-receive namin. Ayan. Uy, huwag mong takpan yung shoutout natin, Marshall, ha? Saan na ba yan? Dito sa kabila. Ayan. I got more trash for you, son. Here, there you go. Oh, what? Look at she. Quick hands. Alright. Go. I got a zip tie for you. Kaya naman pag nag-unbox ako ng e-bike, malinis na agad yung bahay, di ba? Hold on, baby. Hold on. There you go. All right. Oh, you know what? What we can do is we're gonna make Iya to do a shout out. You're gonna read their name and we're gonna do a shout out. All right, we got the fender here. Ayan, lagay na muna natin sa gilid. Mukhang medyo maganda to ah. Mukhang hindi to average ah. Normally kasi magkakamukha lang yung mga na-unbox ko na ganito eh. Pero this one looks kind of different. The frame, I mean it looks the same but it's kind of different. I don't know. There you go, baby. Alright. Okay, so na-unpack na natin tong bike, yung pinakang frame niya, tsaka yung front wheel. And titingnan natin kung anong laman itong accessory box na yan. So normally, nandiyan yung pedal, nandiyan yung charger, yung mga ilaw-ilaw, at kung ano-ano pa, you know, I did unbox probably at least 60 or 70 of these e-bikes, so I kind of know. Here we go, meron tayong tool. Ayan, extra zip tayo na nahulog. And we got hardware right here. Ayan, ito yung may expect mo kapag bumili ka ng e-bike. You trying to get that off? Leave that there. Mamaya. You know what? Here, go take it off, baby. Take it off. Take the phone. No, not that. Oh, do that. Go. There you go. Here. Yeah. There we go. Now we're finished. Meron pa ba? Where? Oh, yeah, I missed it. So hold on, baby. Hold on.
Finished.
Yeah. Anong spinach?
I finished it.
Oh, you finished it? There you go. You're finished, son. Good boy. Okay, so now, you got a pump. Di ko ginagamit yung ganitong klaseng pump kasi parang isang gamit lang mawawasak na. Pero, you know, it's a good thing. Meron tayong pump. Ito yung mga gusto ko dyan. Mga screwdriver, you know, mga wrench. You know, hindi sila ganun ka-quality. You know, mamurahing tool. Pero, why not, di ba? Alright. So si Marshall nagsisimula na mag-build doon. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung ginang ginagawa niya. Alright, so meron tayong extra brake pads. That's nice. This is pretty cool. And we got the headlight right here for the e-bike that we're gonna mount in front of the fork. And pedals. Alright, now we are ready to assemble the e-bike. Let's do it. Alright, so ready nang ikabit yung gulong sa harap. And habang kinakabit ko tong gulong sa harap, gusto ko lang i-shoutout si Docha Max. Ayun, hindi ko alam kung na-pronounce ko ba ng okay yun, pero Docha Max, shoutout. Come on! Get in there, dude. Ito pinakaayaw ko sa e-bike. Hirap ilagay ng gulong. So, ayun, sat-sat ako ng sat-sat kanina habang kinakabit ko yung handlebars and wala palang audio yung video. Nag-shoutout pa naman si Iya and kung ano-ano sinabi namin. Wala naman pala. So, anong nangyari? Ayun, charge ko yung microphone and so far so good. Look at the e-bike. Di ba? Yan yung mock wheel natin. This is the mock wheel asphalt ST. ST means step through. They call it step through because pag sasakay mo siya, you can just step through. Di ba? That's why they call it ST or step through. So anyway, meron pa tayong shoutout na gagawin. And si Iya, siya shoutout niya si... Say shoutout po.
Shoutout po.
Kay...
Shoutout po kay...
Wally.
From
Saipan.
From Saipan.
Do it again.
Shoutout po kay Wally from Saipan.
Yung! Nice. And of course, you know, yung YouTube channel daw niya. Tell them about your YouTube channel.
So guys, I have a YouTube channel and I do drawing stuff on my YouTube channel. And please make sure to subscribe to that channel too.
Yo, ang galing ah. Galing mag-English.
And these are my drawings I made.
Let me see, show it to them.
Like so these.
Who's that?
Luffy.
That's Luffy.
Hey.
Hey, who's this?
That's Gomez from Demon Slayer.
Oh, who's this?
It's just a person.
Just a random person.
Yeah,
who's this at the
draw-
back? What in the world?
Hey!
hey, what's that? Anyway,
That was-
yeah, you wanna help me unbox the other e-bike?
Okay.
Unbox pa kami ng isang e-bike and kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, kulitin nyo lang ako sa comment section dahil, you know, birang-bira ako mag-upload once every 10 years lang. Kaya naman medyo nawawala yung mga comments ng mga nagpapa-shoutout. Sorry naman po. And yeah, tabi na natin itong mock wheel. And again, i-review ko itong e-bike na to dun sa cycling channel ko. Kung di pa ka nakapag-subscribe, lalagay ko sa card sa taas. Sa taas kasi hindi ko alam kung nasa kanan o nasa kaliwa ba yung card. But anyway, i-unbox natin yung isa pang e-bike. Ang pangalan itong e-bike na to is Highboy. Yo! Yeah, come here. Read that.
What?
Read that. What does that
This?
say? Yeah.
Highboy.
What? It says Highboy. Hi, boy! Oh, Marshall! Pabasa natin kay Marshall. Marshall, come here, baby! Read it.
Hi, H I B
That's O.
I
That's O, baby.
O
Yeah.
Y.
Read it. Nalito.
Hi, hi, boy.
There you go. Hi, B. Hi, B. Hi, B. Hi, boy. There you go. Yeah, marunong na magbasa si Marshall kahit pa paano. So anyway, we're gonna unbox this. Ayan, kita niyo naman yung kutsilyo ko. May mga dugo-dugo pa ng isda yan. Kasi nga, mahilig tayo mag-fishing. And gumawa na rin ako ng YouTube channel about fishing. Kaya nga, meron akong boat, di ba? Meron akong boat kasi mahilig ako mag-fishing. So anyway, kung gusto niyo ng mga fishing content, no, it's bigger. Gotta put you in the boat quick. Heck yeah. Yan, yung talagang nangingisda lang ako. Or maybe review ng kayak, or review ng boat, or maybe review ng kung ano-ano about fishing. Subscribe na kayo. Nandito rin sa card and then sa description din, di ba? Ang daming pina-plug. Cycling channel, fishing channel, channel ni Iya. Saan ka pa, di ba? Anyway, ayun na nga. Kaya madalas akong walang upload. Busy sa work, pagod sa work. Mechanic ako sa Kings Bay, Georgia. Ayan. Crane mechanic. Kaya naman, tuwing umuwi ako, laging pagod kasi yung mga tornilyo ng mga tinuturn namin doon pagkalalaki. Sobrang grasa lagi. So, ayan. Umuwi ako, pretty much mukha akong taong grasa. Yun, no? Itong Highboy e-bike na to, medyo beefy. Di ba? Yung... Iya!
Huh?
Come here. Nakakunik pa yung mic kay Iya. Nag-uuhugas ng plato. Iya, what are you doing? Come here, they're gonna hear you washing the dishes. Give me that mic. You still want to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm not even washing dishes.
Let's go. Let's do it. All right.
What
okay.
if I touch it?
Huh?
What if I touch it?
If you touch it, the microphone is gonna sound like that. Hey, don't touch that. That's not trash. All right. Cool. So medyo mabigat-bigat tong e-bike na to. Kaya naman, kukunin ko. Tingnan mo dito. Ito yung camera person natin. Hindi marunong. Oh, ayan, di ba? Yeah. What kind of e-bike this is right here?
I don't know.
You see, look at the tires. It's fat, right?
So
what is
it's
it?
like
It's a fat tire e-bike. All right. So, since it's a fat tire e-bike, it has all-terrain tires. It's a fat tire all-terrain e-bike.
I didn't answer.
I'm just saying. Oh, galit agad eh. Di ba? All right, cool. And, wala, nabusan na ako na isa-shoutout. Wala namang nagpapa-shoutout sa akin. Sarap kaya nun yung nagsya-shoutout ka. Kaya lang, lagi ko nakakalimutan. Iya, pull that box down. There you go. Come on. Marshall, help. Help, son.
No.
Come on. There you go. Pull the box. Come on, we got this, people. Come on. There we go. Oh. There we go. No, not the trash. Not yet. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. The bike is unboxed. Here we go. All right, pull it up, baby. Whew! Buti na lang, masipag yung mga anak ko. Oh, di ba? All right. What do we got here? Hold on, not yet. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung accessory box. Grabe, bigat nito. Bigat niya. Highboy. Pangalan Highboy. Yun yung brand name ng ano. Yun yung pangalan ng brand. Highboy. Okay, lagay natin ito dito sa gilid. Hold on. Para si Marshall is may mapagkatuwaan. Alright, so same thing. Unpack natin tong e-bike. Baka i-fast forward ko na lang ng konti ito kasi
How long has this been here?
this e-bike,
Yeah.
probably a couple of weeks.
Why haven't you opened this?
Because I'm busy. You know, I gotta work.
That's
You know what I'm
true.
saying? You know, I'm just a little busy. I gotta go to work. We gotta go. You remember we always going fishing?
Yeah.
Diba? So that's why. Ngayon ko lang to na-unbox.
But how come if you had time, you didn't open it?
Ay, don't say that. Don't say that. Because I'm busy at work. Don't tell them I'm busy fishing. Okay? Yeah. Don't talaga. Ito naman. Binubuking pa ako.
But it's the truth.
Don't. Okay. All right. Why don't you help me to unpack all of these, baby?
Why? Why?
I don't know. Why? Why not?
Why?
And you're gonna help me. Matter of fact, you're gonna test this. You wanna test this out?
Yeah, are you gonna do it outside?
Well, we'll see if the road is dry, we might try to, try this thing outside. Oh, this is cool. Exercise, exercise. Let's go, people. Let's exercise.
It's just picking up trash.
Well, that's nice. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, but it's exercise, baby. Exercise. Yep, trash,
just
baby.
moved
Trash it down. Put everything in the trash, baby. Let's do the magic trick that when you clap, the bike is built.
Okay.
But we're gonna edit it out. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, clap. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. The bike is built. Would you look at that?
Wow.
Yeah.
It's already built now.
Yeah, look. Let's see if it's gonna work.
Okay.
You know?
Wow.
Would you look at that? Ayos ba? Ayos, no? Sapa. You know? Ayos ba? Ayos, no? I actually like this because tingnan mo yung drivetrain niya. Yun, Altus, puro Shimano turning yung nakukuha ko dito sa mga e-bike na to eh. Kung may alam ka sa mga bikes, Altus is low end pero mas okay siya ng konti sa turning, di ba? Ayun. Oh, you wanna try the bikes? You wanna try
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Let's see if you're gonna fit. See if you can make it. Hold on. You good?
Yeah.
All right, you like that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wait up.
I'm just gonna turn
Wait
right
for
here.
me.
Huh?
So wait for me.
All right, you know what? This is not worth it. Come on. Oh, she's doing it. Hold on. She's doing it. She's going super slow though.
So where are we going?
All right. Okay. Good. Okay na. Okay. All right, let's get in the house.
Okay.
Maulan. Ayan, so dahil maulan, pasok na tayo sa bahay and tapusin na natin tong walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog na to. Alright, so I guess that's about it. Isa na namang walang kakwenta-kwentang video ang napanood nyo mga Erpen. Kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, kulitin nyo lang ako sa comment section. And yun, maybe next vlog, shoutout game ulit tayo, di ba? What do you think, yeah? We're gonna do shoutout again next time? Next
yeah.
vlog?
Yeah, next time.
Alright, I guess that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At lagi nyo tatandaan, love, peace, and happiness lang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Which one you like better? This one or that one?
I like that one.
You like
'cause
this
I
one?
haven't even tried that one.
I like that one.
I don't. It's way too big.
Yeah, well, I'm a big boy.
So
All right, we need a bigger house. What do you think? Let's go get a bigger house.
we don't have money.
You're not lying. You're right.